Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are with us in previous videos, you know what we are doing in here. But if you are new to the channel, we are talking about work hacks, tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, so that we will be able to save some time. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Power Query again. Today I have 4 sheets full of my sales data and I'm trying to consolidate all these data into one pivot table. Earlier what we have done is we have everything in one sheet, one table, and we make a pivot table out of it. But today I am trying to create a pivot table out of these 4 sheets and analyze together. One more thing to notice is that I have same headers on all these sheets, so I will have a similar data set. So I'll be able to analyze that data without preparing my data. So let's go into the first step. First step, I am going to load my data into Power Query. Today I am going to use Power Query for that. So I am going into data and get data from file, and my data is inside this one. So I am going to import it. You can see my 4 sheets have been loaded. So what I am going to do is I am going to I have ticked the select multiple items, December, November, October and September, right. Now I am going to transform my data. So you can see everything is loading. Now everything is loaded onto 4 tables, right. Now everything is on 4 tables. Now I want to put all these data under each of these tables. So for that I am going to use append queries. For the moment I am using append queries as 1 because I don't want to mix it up with previous data. So what I am going to do is I am going to 3 or more tables. December is already there. I am selecting all these data and add this to the chart. Let's see, it will create one table including all these 4 months sales data. Now it has been created, you can see, and I am going to rename this query so that it looks nice. I am saying sales data, sales underscore data. So that will be a nice name. So now what I am going to do is, now what I want to do is I want to create a pivot table out of it. So I am going to do close and load to. Earlier we closed and load to one table. Today, now you can see new dialog box appears. In that I am going to select pivot table, and again I am ticking off it as a new worksheet, so that will be in a new worksheet, and automatically all these data models are being created using this information that I have input. So press OK. You can see data is being loaded. So you can see all the data has been loaded here. So for the moment I am picking my sales data, and maybe let's put some information here. Let me put month. month in here. You can see all the 4 months are in my pivot table, and let's see if we can put customer subgroup. So you can see different customers have different information under the pivot table. Let me put sales order quantities here. So let me arrange it for quick view. Let me collapse everything so that we will be able to see it better. Where is it? Collapse. So you can see, let me put month in here so that we'll be able to see it in better way. So now you can see, let me make it readable as well for the moment. So you can see you will have your data in a arranged manner. Like you can see Tesco is making a lot of sales, Asda is second, and again Sainsbury is making some sales, and the other ones are not making good sale here. So what we have done is we have summarized. Let me rename this for sheet to a summary. The good thing is, let's say if you have updated this sheet, one of these sheets, you refresh it, you will get that information. Let's say let me delete from September. Let's see September figure. We have 387, sorry, like 558. Let's see, we'll delete something from December so that we can see and show you how that is gonna refresh my worksheet. So for that I'm saving my file and I'm going to refresh it. See, it is already being adjusted here. So you can do the same with your data. If they are in different worksheet, don't worry, you can make a pivot out of it. I hope you have learned something out of this video. If you liked our content, share with your friends and like our video so that other people also can see this video and learn something out of it. And if you are new here, you haven't subscribed us yet, just subscribe us so that you will be able to see our new videos very quickly and get ahead of the competition. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.